on my MySpace page.
That's video there, ain't it? How can I get them?
Go on the MySpace page.
Just go on my MySpace page and download it. Just copy it.
Yeah. You got James on your MySpace?
No. I thought I had it.
I'm gonna go find it.
Rutroh 72. RUTROH.
Alright.
Look at his fucking taillights. They're full of water.
Oh shit! You gotta ask your buddy when I walk out there and keep fucking lock it up.
All the water's still draining out of his truck.
What about it for?
Watch dumbass come do it again. Still dumping water out of the damn back and he's gonna do it again.